All right, welcome to the second section, lesson 2 here. In the previous lesson, we just reviewed some of the features of the HVC Composer, and we kind of very quickly executed a typical graphical arts composition, something an artist might get at work or a freelance job. In this section, we're going to actually execute some artwork. These are taken from the works of Matisse, his cutout series. And these are wonderful to work with. In our lesson plan, we have 3 Matisse templates. We get the students to work out their color composition problems. Just to quickly review what the HVC Composer, Color Composer is a remarkable new tool for artists which can actually measure color distances numerically so that artists can organize them into harmonic compositions in their work. Once you're able to establish numerical distances, the question becomes, okay, now how do you use them? And Mastercolors, of course, has a free webinar for artists where they can come in and we can talk about, how we think these numbers should be applied to the work. And it's very analogous to the way music works. In music, they have interval systems, both for timing and for musical tones. The way color works is similar in that we use an interval system based on the total degree of contrast generated by the relationship of 2 colors when they touch. Let's just do a quick demonstration of that. As you can see in that double contrast box in the bottom, I'm going to start out very close to this color I chose, this pink. And as I move further away from it, you can see that that contrast line gets stronger and stronger, and that's measured with a very precisely numerically. Now, just what is harmony? Well, there are degrees of harmony. Pure harmony, the sweetest, the most orderly, and the best harmonies, can be defined pretty much as pure harmony is the extent to which every contrast between every color relates to each other by a single multiplying factor. For example, in the simple doubling progression, you might start out with 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. Okay? And of course, what does that remind you of? The timing system in music, for one. So basically, these simple proportions are recognized by the mind as harmony and orderliness. And for these particular graphic art problems, the composer is just such a beautiful tool. Let's go back to our auto range function. The auto range function will take a target color. Here, I'll take a strong red as my target color, and creates a palette of relationships that are 5, 10, 20, and 40 steps from that target color. As you can see, these 5s are very close relationships. They're what you would normally consider to be a half step. Bumps up to 10, which would be a full step. As you can see, 20. And the really strong relationships here would be 40s. All right, let's take a crack at this lovely Matisse figure here. Now, for this piece, another way to look at harmony, color harmony particularly, is if you're composing a piece, and you have 2 colors, and you want to add a 3rd color. Well, perfect harmony would be that 3rd color would be equidistant from those other 2 colors. So all the colors would be having the exact same impact against one